Solana is testing a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are getting very close to 900 Telegram members. For those of you that want to keep an update with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link in the bio. It is absolutely free. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome to the first ever Solana video. I know you guys have been asking for this video for quite a while, so I'm really excited to start looking into Solana. So what I want to do in this video, of course, is look at the current price structure and the previous price analysis. So this way everyone is on the same page. Starting off, we can talk about where I mentioned Solana for a breakout over in Telegram, which was at $26. The reason why this level was a white indicator was because of the fact that it was a very strong weekly resistance level. Breaking above this zone was the start of a massive run for Solana. You can see from 26 going all the way into the $60 range, which was ideally where we were expecting some profit taking. Now I'll start off with the daily time frame so you guys get a little bit of a better insight of where to possibly look for some continuation trades. Starting off on the daily time frame, you can see the $67 was of course the area of take profit, because this level right here acted as a very nice retest opportunity before we saw that continuation towards the downside, and that's the first level that I would be paying attention to. Looking at the current price structure, you can see that we are still trading above our exponential moving averages. I wouldn't necessarily look for any sort of swinging short positions on Solana, as I do expect Solana to see one last leg opportunity, possibly into the $80 range. And the reason for this, of course, is looking at previous price analysis. You can see that there is a ton of support at this $80 range from the previous cycle. We've seen multiple retest opportunities in terms of wicks at this zone, as well as a retest on resistance before we saw that continuation to the downside, and that's why I'm looking for that $80 Solana before we start looking for a stronger continuation. Now everything is dependent, of course, on the daily time frame for these exponential moving averages, but what I am expecting is a small wick opportunity, possibly into 48, before we start seeing that continuation. And the reason for that, of course, is you can see on Solana as of right now, we have a very nice midterm support level here at 52. If you'll notice is the fact that we have already tested this level twice. Now this is going to be the third test opportunity, and usually on the third test you tend to see a breakdown formation, but what I'm expecting is a very quick wick towards the downside. The reason for this, of course, is looking at previous price. You'll notice that we had quite a few wicks in terms of resistance, but only one on support before we saw the squeeze overall. I'm ideally looking for that second and third retest on that $48 range before we see that continuation, so it'll give you guys a better understanding of where exactly be looking for some buying opportunities. Now, regardless of how you feel on Solana and whether or not FTX or anything, to me that is all noise. What I simply look at is price action, and if we look at the daily time frame for Solana, we are still expecting a larger continuation overall. The reason for this, of course, is you can see the wick high was all the way up here into the $140 range before we saw that continuation and capitulation. Usually market structures like this, when you see a breakout of a larger swing position, mostly at this extent, the first level of take profit would remain right where the move set started, and the move set started, of course, into the 140 range. So if we are looking for a continuation of this trade, this is ideally what I'm paying attention to as of right now. If we do see that continuation, of course, it has to break above the $80 resistance. This is why I've been mentioning to you guys that the $80 resistance level is going to be the first area of major take profit, as this was a strong support, now ideally a strong resistance. Any break above that zone, and all of these traders right here that have entered those swing shorting positions will start looking to close out their positions, which is going to cause an even larger move overall. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.